a little windy out today. See, we got some hay in the arena. Got our water tub here. We've got a new horse coming today. Once we get some water in here, then we are going to hook up to the trailer and go get her. And I think you'll be a little surprised on what it is. Figure it out. There he is. She is. Yep. Just show you here, like where these girls come to on the fence. This one, the sun's pretty bright. There's some jealous horses right here. Somebody's getting green grass. How do you like your new horse?
I love our new horse. It's a perfect rescue. What a gentle giant.
Yeah.
Looking forward to getting her mane all cleaned up, getting the tail and all the mud scrubbed off her.
Yeah, she is nice.